I say, you know, I'll try some planting. I put in 2 acre planting and 3 acre ginger. And that first me thought, 3 acre ginger, you hold over when you look at the long out of my yard of ginger, you know. The first year with ginger come good. The second year, when me see the seedling and plant back, disease reach me, so me flap. And I say, you know what I do now? Planting come up, disease come and give me a beating in here. So I say, I'll try yellow yam. And I go up in one hills up there, so. And I plant some yellow yam and ganja. That's what I start from, my brother. And I just continue. You understand me? Me old people and give me a nice house. My wife out there. The old man give me a nice piece of land up a Cooper spend it. That's what I'm saying. Me have a nice ranch up there when me make out a farm. You know. $1,000, you know. This a year out of yellow yam, you know. Me make $3 million and something out of yellow yam, you know. So, me grateful like it. I mean, I work for a man and a man can work as me like. A man not push me around. Me feel like go sleep, me go sleep. Me not feel like do something, me not do something. Man, I have to give thanks to life and oh, God bless me. I mean, I encourage a whole for young boys. Get in a farming and without food, no country can go nowhere. You understand me? And these prime minister now, they don't respect the dirty man, them like they are dirty man in Carvey. They don't respect it. But have we run the things, have we run country? Even America, look how much yam them there. They know where they come from. They know how hard work we put it there. You know how much chocolate of bamboo stick me by brethren. Enough money. But me still give thanks, brother. You look on it, so you're not that easy, boy, but it's nice. Alright, this is within yam. Yam take 8 months to come in. And between the 8 months, you know, say if you sell and not save it between the 8 months, you know, and work for picking your gas school between the 8 months, if you not save yam, it take 8 months. 8 months you have to sit down and wait before you start make money. But you see from June, July, remember me say from June, July, every God Almighty day, you can make 50,000, 100,000. Me mean every day, you know? Every day every God send come. You can make a 50, you can make 100, and you know, say, you sell one place at St. Mary. Every 2 weeks you can take 1,000 yam. You know when you look at how much $100,000 that.